guys, we're going to do some alphabet sounds, some ABC sounds. I'm going to do some of the kindergarten ones, and Maren is going to do the ones that they practice in TK. So we have a couple that are different, right? What's one that we do that's different?
The E one?
Yeah, because you crack an egg on your head and I crack it in my hand. I also think we do volcano differently. How do you do V?
V.
Okay, and we go like this, V. So let's do them all together, you and me. And then everybody else can do them with us. You can do them for kindergarten and TK. You ready to begin?
Mm-hmm.
What do we start with?
A.
Good idea. Ready, set, go. A, B, B, K, C, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And let's do a couple more. Let's do TH. Do you know TH?
Yeah.
You do?
I think I do.
Okay, let's try it. TH. SH. CH. WH. Good job. High five. And 2 thumbs up.